Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a quick swatch of some lipsticks that I've had for for a bit. So this is the Cargo Cosmetics limited edition liquid lipsticks, and I won this in a giveaway earlier this year from Sean's Beauty, or from Sean's World. She did a giveaway and it was in the collection. So inside it contains 3 shades. There's nude, berry, and red. So these are the 3 liquid lipsticks that come inside the package. So this is nude, this is berry, and this is red in the center. So I'm just going to do a quick swatch of these 3 lipsticks, and yeah, so let's go. These are the swatches of the 3 liquid lipsticks. They are not matte lipsticks, they are liquid or more like glosses, because it says 3 full-size limited edition long wear liquid lipsticks, including neutral dramatic shades that flatter all skin tones. Long wear high shine formula nourishes and hydrates lips. Lightweight texture glides on effortlessly. Full coverage application. So yes, it is a very glossy lip, and my lips feel really hydrated, and the coverage is quite nice. Like I can't see the base of my lips, which is quite nice. So these are the shades. They are so lovely. I think I like all 3 shades. They're like, I'm not really a fan of glossy lips with dark lipsticks, but these are quite nice. Like I think they are so nice. Like they're not bad. So I'm gonna put like the link to their website in the description box if you're interested in getting any of these lipsticks. Since this is a limited edition, I don't know if these shades will still be available, but definitely I'm sure even if you don't get these shades, you'll be able to get other shades from the Cargo Cosmetics line. Anyways guys, this is my video for today. The eye tutorial for this look will be on my channel pretty soon, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anytime I upload a video. All right guys, till my next video, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye. Mwah.